just talk to you guys real quick. Alright. I'm gonna pull over and talk to you guys real quick. I'm gonna go get the car serviced. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna get the car serviced, and then I have a vlog to upload. I need to finish editing it before I upload it, but I'm gonna just bring you guys along with me on that route. So enjoy today. I got my wig on. Yes. Kind of hot. I need to come out because I'm in the middle of the road and I don't want cars to be driving around me. Yeah, so anyways, see you guys later. Alright guys, so you see the car is propped up and getting fixed. I need to change the transmission. The transmission filter is this little thing.
Yeah, go and go get this.
So I'm gonna have to go to Bert's to buy a new one, and I have to buy some oil. Well, it's not oil, it's like a specific type of fluid, transmission fluid. Yeah, so I gotta do that. Okay, so guys, I met another subscriber and I'm gonna bring the camera to her. I'm gonna see if she wanna say something on camera, like, you know, her social media or things like that. I don't want to put nobody on the spot, but I'm just so happy. Yeah, I'm just nice. Whenever you guys see me in public, oh shit, I almost dropped my phone. Whenever you guys see me in public, come up to me and say hi. I don't bite. I get really happy. Yeah. All right, Mega, see if she wants to say something. Okay guys, so I tried, but she didn't want to say anything. But thank you so much again for watching. Yeah, you know, Trelawney people are the best people. She's from Trelawney. Trelawney people are the best people anyways. So if you come from another parish and you see me, make sure you tell me where you're from, because right now Trelawney people are raining. Okay, so I'm in Bert's now. I got my paper. I'm going to the cashier to pay for it. Obviously, them two people here closed. This is the only one that's open, so there's a long line. But gonna pay, then go pick up the item, and then we're gonna go back to the car shop to get the car fixed. Alright, so I'm waiting on Charmaine to come back with the keys, but I'm hungry, so I gotta get that chicken. Mega, hold on. Yeah, so Mega get a chicken and fries. I'm very, very hungry, and I have so much more to do later, so it's best I eat now, because your girl want to get thick, and we ain't gonna get thick if we're starving, are we? Okay, baby girl. Alright, let me not. Anyways, we're in Tower Hill, Olympic Way. Thumbs up if you're from this area. Thumbs up the video just because you love the video and you want to see more. Yeah, I want to do a taxi vlog where like I take because I like taking taxis. That's how I find out new songs, for one, and that's also what the chicken place. Oh, over here, sir. All right. Check both directions, babes. Oh yeah, so we're gonna get some chicken and chips. I'll let you guys know how it is. It's Sweet Dutchie. It looks really cute. I like it. Okay, so I got my food. They were so nice. What should I say? $74 I think it's 74 Olympic Way. One of them, like, just get familiar with the area. Sweet Scotchies. Sweet Scotchies?
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, wool up, wool up. Just wool up.
Yeah, it is. I don't know how it tastes yet, but the customer service was so nice. Like, I have mayonnaise, cheese, and ketchup. I got some chicken with fries and vegetable. They put it in the bag, and they put a knife and fork and napkin. Yeah man, the customer service well nice. Yeah. So I go back and eat and show you what it look like, and then they can let me know, like, or I can let you guys know. Alright, I'm rambling, I'm very hungry. Alright, so I was gonna eat and forget to show you guys. So the ketchup on the side, the cheese, mayonnaise, fries, chicken. I don't take a bite out of the chicken already. And here's some vegetable. You know, I gotta have a balanced diet. And then I don't really like juice, I like water. That's my preference. Yeah, tastes really good. Yeah man, it tastes really nice, and it's not oily. A lot of cook shops are oily, but this isn't oily. So the big feature, the two big features. Alright, come say something to the camera. Come tell them, follow your socials or something. Come into the sun. The lighting gear right there, sir.
Follow my Instagram, it's I.buildoveryou. My YouTube is Private Ghost, and Gay nigga for great check.
Okay guys, you heard it here.
Swagging, don't bargain. Who ya man?
Yeah.
Who ya man? Yo! Me and them call flex. Coming out, come like Malcolm X, coming out vex. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, love the girl them. Don't vex with the girl them. Yeah, like that. Yo!
Okay guys, so I brought the other car to be serviced. I've been doing a lot of running up and down. I still have more things to do, and it is well after 5 o'clock. It's almost 5:30, but this bus park area remind me of when I was younger, when my dad used to have his buses. Yeah, so this brings back memories for me. Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna get this fixed, and you guys probably won't see me until tomorrow or later tonight. The minute I said tomorrow, because every time I said tomorrow, and I always see me later down in the night. But the camera will die, so it's probably gonna die before I get home, so I'll just sooner when I sooner. Alright guys, I know I said I'll probably see you later tomorrow. Tomorrow or later tonight. Well, no, it's later tonight, and I'm in this whole like crazy line. The line barely moved, and I've been sitting here for one song is long, but it's just not moving. What's that noise? Alright, so we're at Island Grill now. I got the AC on, so I'm gonna wind up the window until them come with the food. My hair is acting funny. I need to go because I'm late. I am late. I wanted to leave at 12. I have to go home and bathe and do all them something here. Yeah, but for the most part everything is going good. We're about to leave. Yeah, after brunch I don't really have anything planned to do, so I'm gonna sit down and write out some weekly plans, like for my clothes that I'm selling and all them something. Oops, hold on. Big like come something here. Alright, I wonder what blink me. Anyways, I'm for hurry up. Okay guys, so this is my brunch outfit. Yeah, My cousin is throwing out her old wardrobe. Oh no, this lace ain't looking cute at all. I forgot to blend it more when I reach. I'm sweating so much and it's just not looking cute. Yeah man, I forgot to blend it more when I reach. But anyways, this is what my outfit's looking like. I have on this top from Zara, belt that I thrifted. I thrifted this pants, and this my shoes. Okay, I gotta go. So I'm on my way to go get Khai, and then I'm gonna be off. We're gonna be off to get brunch. So I'll see you again when I'm at Khai's. So there's Khai and Jackson.
Mom, some things are meant to
Alright, vlog. You can see Khai before and Jackson. Them love off Jackson.
Really?
Say hi. I don't want to say hi. So we're gonna head into Kingston now. I need to buy gas, but I purposely waited so I can get it in Portmore.
What's in the Portmore side where I go?
Oh, but which place over here has good gas? Alright, go.
What's the name?
This is Bicana.
What?
Bicana.
Bicana?
Bicana.
What?
Look at Rush Cam, guys. Check out his channel. You probably already know Rush Cam. Drinking his mimosa. You're on a date? So, where's the date? Just you? That's the energy we need in 2010. Take yourself out to eat. Oh. With the corn, with the fried lobster legs. Is that soup? That's a soup, right? When I know, guys, we're trying to decide what we're gonna eat first. Lobster and corn chowder. Huh? It's a struggle. Yep. This is a struggle, guys. When you have babies. Say hi, Jackson. Jackson, say hi. Say hi. Say no. Alright guys, so we've ordered our food. We have our mimosas and they have what's this thing called again? A cherry? Yeah, they put a cherry in the mimosa. It's really actually good. The mimosas at AC Hotel wasn't that good. It just tastes like straight champagne. But let me show you guys what we ordered. So if the food comes, well no, when the food comes, this is a voiceover. This is a voiceover. Say hi to my voice. Because right now you're seeing the food. So we got for the first round we got a lobster and corn chowder with fried lobster legs, and then for me I got pancakes with 2 eggs fried. So you can put the next time then in order to go up if you want. Yeah. Look at Khai and Jackson. Give me a thumbs up for Jackson, guys. Thumbs up.